Yeah, so that's the grab bar, and these are the fasteners and hollow wall anchor sleeve that came with, and we've got this toggle bolt here as a possible backup if necessary. So it's a really nicely made grab bar, and it's got this threaded escutcheon that'll come down afterward and cover up the structural mounting plate. So we're putting this grab bar on this stone tile in the shower. And we got the layout marks. And I like to use this one-handed center punch to make a divot so that the drill bit doesn't wander and make a hole someplace else. So we're gonna make a pilot hole with a small glass and tile and stone bit first, and then we'll come back and make the larger hole for the anchor to sleeve into. When we put the fasteners in, when we put the bar on, we're going to be careful not to put too much force forward on the head of the fastener, because this doesn't have, it's got just a very small little barb there to keep it from falling into the hole, but we could easily push that sleeve away from the inside surface of the wall back into the cavity, which we don't want to do. So we're going to try to set these most of the way with that nut driver.
What size is that nut driver?
That's a 8mm.
Oh, okay, good, all right.
Let's see here.
gives you clearance.
Yeah. Much smaller diameter than the drill chuck. There it is. That now it's snug.
So you think this is going to be secure enough for a grab bar?
I do. The surface of the wall is about an inch thick, and it seems to be quite solid.
So you're happy with that?
That feels pretty good.
Awesome, and it matches the shower hardware. Very good. Thanks, Ben.
You bet.
That was Ben Walsh from Leiter Construction Management in Portland. If you have any problems, he's the man to see. He very efficiently installed this grab bar in our shower. I hope that was helpful. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.